everyone. We're back on the road. Sorry you're not getting to see my beautiful shining face. However, we're in a significant rush. We're heading from Roanoke, Texas, which is just outside of Fort Worth, to North Little Rock, Arkansas. Dropping off some General Mills product for Dollar General. We have 6 hours and 29 minutes for a 6-hour trip. We're going to be pushing it. Got to stop for fuel and DEF in Rockwall, Texas, which is it's off Interstate 35. I don't foresee us having a problem getting there and making the delivery. I foresee a problem with us finding a place to park. Hopefully they allow us to shut down overnight, but I'm not counting on it. But at any rate, hope you guys enjoy the ride. Thanks for riding along. This is Coppell, Texas. One of the many cities surrounding Dallas. Makes up the DFW Metroplex. I shouldn't say this because it'll probably bite me in the butt, but I am surprised that the traffic isn't worse than it is. Normally getting anywhere around the Metroplex almost any time of day is terrible. But so far, fingers crossed, knock on wood, say a prayer, we've been blessed to not be stuck in traffic. We really don't have the time today to be sitting in traffic, but we may not have a choice in the matter. Spoke too soon about the traffic crossing Lake Ray Hubbard up here in Rockwall. It's just terrible. Stuff like this going on at the same time. Day, well, the last like 2.5, 3 hours of this day have been absolutely just one aggravating thing after another. That's all I'm gonna say about it. I'm just gonna be quiet and drive. Made our fuel stop. There, pump that I Texarkana across into Arkansas, and then it's Interstate 30 up to Little Rock, where we'll get off and head up to the distribution center. We currently have 4 hours and 36 minutes left of driving time available to us. We have 4 hours and 17 minutes of driving to do. Cut her close, as long as everything stays clear, we'll make it tonight. Texarkana, Texas, and heading into Texarkana, Arkansas. It's like Bristol, Virginia, Bristol, Tennessee. State line splits the town. 150 miles left to go. 2 hours, 19 minutes till we get there. Still on I-30 East. It's basically I-30 East all the way in. About it's like 13 miles. And then you get off at exit 138A. We got a rest area coming up in about 6 miles. I think I'm gonna jump off there, grab some caffeine, and use the restroom quickly. West of Little Rock, Arkansas. As you can probably hear, the GPS said we're going to jump off Interstate 30 East onto Interstate 440 East. I think it takes us up around the west side of Little Rock, North Little Rock. We're 15 minutes from the receiver. We got 34 minutes left of driving, so pushing it to the end today. Hopefully everything continues to go smoothly. Well, we got to the shipper, or the receiver, and they don't have me on their list. And I'm waiting for customer service to get me a number. So it's been a rough day. I think with all that being said, I think I'm just going to end this video here for the night. Alright everyone, once again, plans have changed. It's the next morning. Now they're going to have me take this load over to our terminal in Memphis. I guess they didn't schedule an appointment or something, and something got messed up, so I didn't have an appointment. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. We're going to take this to Memphis. So let's get on the road.
right exit 180.
We're over the Mississippi. Can't see it. Somewhere up here on the left, it's on the Tennessee side of the river, is the Bass Pro Pyramid. It's also the home of Ducks Unlimited.
In 2 miles, take right exit 180 to Interstate 240 South. Welcome to Tennessee.
It's like Ducks Unlimited's national headquarters. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I didn't have end footage for this video for some reason, so I'm capturing this on the computer. Sorry, it looks like a darn hostage video, but thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Helps the channel out a lot. Helps more people see the videos. So thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.